Hi, I'm Corey and this is 131 Woodworking. Today we're going to make this stool. So stay tuned to see how we do it. So for the legs on this stool, we're just using, I manufactured some 1x3s out of a 2x8. I'm cut the top off at 8 degrees, slide it down, mark it 28 and do 8. We'll do 4 feet. There it is, 4 legs. I'm just going to go ahead and use pocket holes to attach my legs to my seat base. If these are going to your house, you want to be a little bit more selective. Mine's just staying out in the garage, so I'm not really worried about which side is out. Use this, it's a 1x12 for the seat base, cut it to 18.5. I'll probably go ahead and rip it on the table saw down to 10 inches just to make it a little bit easier. But rip your seat base 18 inches. Seat base. So this step is completely optional. I'm going to put a rounded edge onto my seat base, and we'll just take our spray paint can, line up the corners. So we'll just grab the jigsaw, whack our corners off, give it a good sanding, and be about ready for mounting. Yeah, it's a fancy seat now, so I think I'll sand it, kind of blend the corners in, sand the top. This thing is really heavy for a 2x12. So, sanding my corners. I'll probably come back to 120 grit and just quick sanding. So, what we'll do now is mount our legs. You want your leg facing out. So I'm just gonna put some layout lines for where I want my legs to go. I think on the long side, an inch sounds good. We'll just set our speed square to an inch. Your line straight. This side. And we'll set it in 3/4 of an inch from the short side. Same thing, just draw a line. So that's that. So little glue and pocket holes. You want set your border on that line. And what I'll do, you want your feet facing out here. So set your pocket holes. So now I'm just gonna glue and pocket hole line the outside of my boards up with my lines. You want your legs facing out, pocket holes facing in. So what I'm going to do now is take some 1x material, pocket hole them, tie in the front legs, and then I think we'll work on tying in the bottoms, put some runners here and across here to help just set this thing up. So let's get a couple more pocket holes drilled, and so if you didn't know, you can pick up a shorter Craig bit. Comes in pretty handy spots like this. So in order to add rigidity to the bottom of my bench, I come from the short side. I measured up 10 inches. And then I'm going to take a piece here. I'm going to just line the bottom up with 10 inches. Yes, I know there's a lot of waste here. I'm going to level it. Once you get it leveled, just grab a line on the inside. And go over to the microsaw and make the cuts. Since our table legs are angled out at 8 degrees, these two are at a different degree than 90. I'm not sure what the actual measurement is, so scribe a line, set my microsaw to that line, and angle it. So that side was about a 1 degree cut. About a 1 degree cut. So I got a couple coats of Onyx Black on this thing. Now it's time to put a little clear coat on it. We're going to use Rust-Oleum Ultra Cover Clear Matte. Spread it down like this. Spray it down. So after a couple coats of spray on varnish or spray on matte clear ultra cover from Rust-Oleum, we got us a finished bench. So it's another scrap wood project from 131 Woodworking. Thanks for checking us out.